Percy! Huh? Oh. Hello, Rainbow Dash. What the hell are you doing? Nothing. Exactly. Get back to work. Or your ass is fired or whatever. Come on, work. Okay. Fine. Oh, wait, what am I supposed to do again? I forgot. Ugh. You're supposed to be checking if everything here is alright. I make sure my monster truck or whatever is alright. I make sure it's nice and clean, just the way I like it, alright? Alright. I'm sorry. I'll make sure everything's gonna be alright. Oh, jeez. Keep it together, Percy. I'll check on you in a couple of minutes. Alright? Alright, fine. I'm sorry. Oh, my God. This is so freaking frustrating. This is a hard ass job as hell. Oh. Thomas! Huh? Yes? What the hell you think you're doing? Well, I don't think there's nothing that need no shoes that need to be shined. Are you freaking kidding me? There's literally dirty ass shoes here right now. You see that filthiness here? You see it? It has dirt on it. Only just a little bit, but still, you're supposed to clean it. You're not doing your job right. Do your job right, or you're fired. All right, come on, get back to work. Okay, fine. I'm coming. Uh, I don't know how am I supposed to do this without any hands, but I'll figure out something. Who? I really hope that bossy ass cat. You sure about that? Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Kitty or whatever. That's you. That's it. Go to the over there. You're in timeout. Freak, really? That's for little kids. Well, you sure act like one. What? How am I? Oh, whatever. Okay, you're in there for 1 hour in the timeout center or whatever. Until you stop talking back to me, you can go. Are you kidding me? This is literally bull crap. Alright, 3 hours. I'm getting kind of bored. I'll just climb it. That's it. I just want to see how it feels. Oh, it feels very hot, like me. Oh yeah. I wish I only knew how to drive this crap thing or whatever. Come on, work. Come on, work. Come on, damn it. Come on, move. Oh yeah, it's moving. Hi Percy, how's the truck coming along? It's okay. Stop. Oh crap. Are you goddamn kidding me? You rode on it or whatever? Yeah, but I was just worried, that's all. I'm sorry. I was stupid. I'm stupid. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. Yeah, you're right. It won't. Because your ass is fired or whatever. What? No, please. I need to shop. Please. No, your ass is fired. You're tiny and useless and annoying anyway. So get the hell out of here. Now! Alright, fine. I hate that Percy guy or whatever. I need to take a rest. Oh, fine. Nobody wants me. Oh, that makes me so sad. Fine, I'll find friends that actually like me or whatever. I don't know how to do this crap. Thomas, I see you're still not cleaning that crap up on off the shoe. Yes, I know. I can't anyway. How am I supposed to do this without any hands or whatever? I only have wheels. But you're supposed to figure out something. You said you're really smart. I am. So figure us some shit or whatever. I don't know. I don't know really. Okay, that's it. If you can't do your job properly and you're just being lazy and you think you're smart with but guess what? You're not, so you just lied to me. You're stupid. So the point is, you're fired. You can't do your job properly and get the hell out of here. But no, get the hell out of here. And never come back here. Alright, fine, fine. She's so annoying. Yeah, just go. We'll clean them ourselves. Yeah. All alone. All alone. All alone. Nobody wants me. Nobody wants me. I'm such a failure. I'm such a damn failure. I'm such a. Huh? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. All right. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry too. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, hey. Hello there. Hello there. What's your name? My name is Thomas the Tank Engine, but just call me Thomas. I'm Percy. Nice to meet you, Percy. Nice to meet you, Thomas. So, what are you doing here anyway? I just got fired from my job. I work in a shoe factory cleaning business or something like that. And let's just say I'm not very good at that crap. And I just got fired. Same, I just got fired from my job taking care of some stuff for a friend. Well, at least I thought they were my friend, but obviously I was wrong about that. And I got fired and she said some things to me and well really we're not really friends anymore. That's the point. I'm looking for some new friends. Well, today's your lucky day. We can be best friends or whatever. Well, like for real, best friends? Yup. I mean, near Percy. I know this is going a little too fast, but sometimes the best friends are in here. Oh, you mean that, Thomas? Yes. You seem a little lonely, Percy, so I thought I can cheer you up. Besides, we're both trained or whatever, so we must stick together. And besides, you seem like a fun guy. Oh, same here. Thanks, Thomas. We're already best friends right now, so that's super cool. Yeah, come on, let's go. So, where are we going, best friend Thomas? I have literally no idea, best friend Percy. Yeah. Let's just roar around here or whatever. Yeah. Oh look, a cat. A big giant cat too. Hello. You need any help or something? And we're looking for a job. Well, I'm sorry, we're not hiring or whatever. You guys are too small to do anything either way, and you seem too stupid too. That's very mean. And the point is, we're not damn stupid or whatever. You're stupid. Yeah, never mind. We don't want to work with you anyway. Because someone is so mean. Come on, Thomas. Yeah. Yeah, come on, Percy. How dare you talk shit about me? Take that. Help us, help us. Help us, help us, help us. Take that, take that. Say goodbye to your friend, little blue hell. No, leave him alone. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah ha 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 ha. Oh, leave them alone or whatever. Huh? What the hell are you doing? I told you to get back to your freaking grounded spot or whatever, timeout spot. I don't give a fuck about that crap. You're going down. Come on, guys, let's kick her ass together. Yeah, come on. Yeah, by the three of us, we should be able to do it together. Ah, let's see about that. Let's come on, had enough? Oh, fine, you win, you win. Whatever, I don't need any of you anyway. Whatever, I'm out of here. Sorry about that. She was definitely not my friend. And she was annoying too. Thank you for standing up for us. Yeah, thank you. James. My name is James. James the Splendid Red Engine. But you can just call me James. Alright, well, thanks for saving us, James. Yeah, thanks, James. Would you like to be friends with us? No, not really. I'm sorry, but I don't. What? Well, it's okay. Nah, just kidding. Of course I want to be friends with you guys. I'm looking for some new friends anyway, and you both seem pretty cool, to be honest. Yeah. Hey, James, what? No Zoom. Yeah, no Zoom. Yeah. Everyone here sucks. Yeah, they all suck. Yeah. Huh? Wait, what are you guys talking about? I don't know. We're just saying random stuff. Yeah. So I guess we're best friends now. All of us, right? Yup. Hell yeah. Yeah. Come on, yeah. So, where are we going now, guys? I don't know. Wherever the floor takes us or whatever. Yeah, I can agree with that. By the way, my name is Percy. Yeah, and I'm Thomas. Good to meet you all. Yeah. Yahoo.
He has. He on here.
He sucks. He sucks. No sir. No sir. No sir. He sucks. No sir. No sir. No sir. No sir. No sir. He sucks.